Hey, so we are on section 3.2, which is solving inequalities using addition or subtraction. Um, so it's a lot like solving just regular equations, we just have inequality symbols now. The first thing that we need to learn is this term here, equivalence. Equivalence basically means equal. So let's check out some problems that uses the word equivalent. So since 10 is greater than or equal to -3, then the equivalent of that would be -3 is less than or equal to 10. What about -7 is less than -1? Then -1 is greater than -7. So see how I just kind of flipped the sign? And then we have b is greater than -10. So -10 is less than b. H is less than or equal to 0, then 0 is, flip the sign, 0 is greater than or equal to h. Okay, 6, they switch it up and they say cross out the equations that are not equivalent to x equals 3. So does 3 equal x? That one's okay. Yep. What about x equals 1/3? Nope. X plus 2 equals 5? Yeah, that's equivalent, right? If we subtract 2 from each side, then that would equal 3, so x would equal 3, so that one's okay. What about this one? X plus 2 equals 5 minus 2, so 5 minus 2 equals 3, and then we have x plus 2. X plus 2 equals 3? No, so that one doesn't work. What about this one? Cross out the inequalities that are not equivalent to x is, can you read that? Greater than, or x is less than or equal to 3. So we got 3 is greater than or equal to x. That's the same thing as this, right? It's just flipped backwards. X is less than or equal to 1/3. That's not the same. X plus 2 is greater than or equal to 5. That is, if we subtract 2 from each side, then we got x is greater than or equal to 3. That is not equivalent, right? X is greater than or equal to 3 is not the same as x is less than or equal to 3. So that one's gone. And then we have x plus 2 is less than or equal to 5 minus 2. So let's try this. 5 minus 2 equals 3, less than or equal to x plus 2. Subtract 2 from each side. Then we have x is less than or equal to 1. That's not the same as x is less than or equal to 3, so this one's gone. Okay, so this is the only one that survived that round. So that's the term equivalent. So you're just finding equations or inequalities that are equal, even though they may look different. Okay, so let's try out some examples in this section.